Jake, what if I told you I turned $100 into $1,000 in 6 weeks?
I'd say you're either incredibly smart or incredibly lucky.
Actually, neither. I just followed a simple strategy that anyone can replicate. And the best part? I did it all in English, so I was learning while earning.
Okay, this is exciting. Break down exactly what you did.
First, mindset shift. That $100 isn't spending money. It's investment capital. You're buying assets or tools that generate returns.
So you're not buying coffee or clothes?
Exactly. Every dollar has a job to make more dollars. Here's what I did. Week 1, I spent $30 on a Canva Pro subscription.
Wait, why Canva Pro?
Because I was going to sell digital products, social media templates, ebook covers, presentation templates. Canva Pro has premium features clients love.
So you invested in the tool you needed to create products.
Exactly. That same week, I created 20 different template bundles. Spent maybe 15 hours total.
And you listed them where?
Etsy and Creative Market. Both platforms have existing traffic, people searching for exactly what I was selling.
How much did you charge?
Started at $12 per bundle. My first week, I made $48. Not amazing, but it covered my Canva investment and proved the concept works.
So you're already profitable in week 1?
Yes. Week 2, I took that $48 plus another $30 from my original $100, so $78 total, and I invested in learning.
Learning what?
I bought a highly rated Udemy course about digital marketing for $15. Spent $20 on stock photos from paid sites to improve my product quality. Kept $43 as working capital.
And this improved your products?
Massively. Better images, better marketing descriptions, better understanding of what customers want. My sales doubled that week. $96.
Nice growth. What's week 3?
I now had about $120 working capital. I spent $50 to run Facebook ads promoting my best-selling templates.
Did the ads work?
Beyond expectations. That $50 in ads generated $240 in sales. I learned which products resonated with audiences.
So you're reinvesting profits strategically, not just hoping for organic sales.
Exactly. Week 4, I diversified. I took $100 and created a Fiverr gig offering custom Canva design services.
So now you're selling ready-made products and custom services?
Yes, multiple income streams. The Fiverr gig charged $30 for custom designs, got 8 orders in week 4, $240 more.
You're accelerating.
Week 5 was where it really took off. I had about $400 in working capital now. I invested $100 in a better product line, more complex, higher value templates.
Higher prices?
I raised prices to $25 to $35 per bundle because quality improved. Premium products attract premium prices.
How much did you make week 5?
$380. Between the Etsy sales, Creative Market sales, and Fiverr custom work, everything was clicking.
And week 6?
Week 6, I spent $80 on more targeted ads and tools. Made $420 that week. When I added everything up, I'd turned my initial $100 into over $1,000 in total revenue.
That's incredible. Now let's break down why this worked. Strategy lesson number 1.
Invest in skills and tools, not consumption. Every dollar went toward building income-generating capacity.
Lesson 2.
Start with what you can do immediately. I didn't spend months learning complicated skills. Canva designs are beginner-friendly.
Lesson 3.
Reinvest profits aggressively. I didn't withdraw money to spend. I kept reinvesting in growth, better tools, learning, marketing.
Lesson 4.
Test and iterate quickly. I tried different products, different prices, different platforms, kept what worked, dropped what didn't.
Now let's give other examples of how someone can turn $100 into $1,000.
Great idea. Method 2, flipping products. Buy underpriced items on Facebook Marketplace, fix them up, resell on eBay or Poshmark.
This works with what kind of items?
Electronics, vintage clothing, collectibles, furniture, if you can transport it, you need knowledge of market values.
How long does this take?
Varies. Some people flip items same day, others might take weeks to find buyers. But the margins can be huge. Buy for $20, sell for $100.
Method 3.
I freelance service arbitrage. Use that $100 to take small projects on Fiverr, then outsource the work to freelancers on freelancer.com for less money.
Wait, you're the middleman?
Exactly. Charge client $50, pay freelancer $25, keep $25 profit. Scale this with 10 projects, you've got $250 profit.
That's smart. Method 4.
Buy domain names for $10 each, buy 10 domains related to trending topics or business keywords, sell them for $100 to $500 each.
Does this actually work?
If you research trending industries, AI, cryptocurrency, green energy, and register smart domain names, yes. It's speculative, but can pay off big.
Method 5.
Create and sell print-on-demand products. Use that $100 for design software, mock-up tools, and initial ads. Zero inventory risk.
Explain print on demand for people who don't know.
You create designs for t-shirts, mugs, phone cases. When someone orders, the printing company makes it and ships it. You never touch inventory.
And platforms for this.
Printful, Printify, Redbubble, Teespring, they handle everything except marketing and design.
Now let's address risks. What can go wrong with these methods?
First risk is spending the $100 on the wrong things. Do research before investing. Know your market.
Second risk.
Impatience. Some people expect instant results. Building income takes time, testing, iteration.
Third risk.
Not tracking numbers. You must know what's working. Track every dollar spent, every dollar earned, every hour invested.
Jake, fourth risk, giving up too soon. Your first week might make $0. That's normal. Persist through the learning curve.
How does English learning fit into all this?
Every single method requires English. Reading product descriptions, writing marketing copy, communicating with customers, learning from tutorials.
So you're forced to use professional English constantly.
Exactly. I learned business vocabulary, persuasive writing, customer service language, all while building income.
Let's create a starter plan. Someone has $100 today. What should they do this week?
Day 1. Research your method. Watch YouTube videos, read articles, understand the process. Don't spend money yet.
Day 2.
Validate the idea. Check if people actually buy what you plan to sell. Look at competitors. Read reviews. See what's selling.
Day 3.
Make your first investment. Buy the tool, course, or inventory you need. Keep it minimal. $30 to $50 max for first investment.
Days 4 and 5. Create your first products or complete your first projects. Put in the work. Quantity matters early on.
Day 6.
Launch. List your products, post your services, start marketing. Get your offer in front of potential buyers.
Day 7.
Analyze results. What got attention? What got ignored? Adjust your approach for week 2.
Final tips for success.
Be patient, but persistent. Don't expect overnight riches, but don't give up after one slow week either.
Tip 2.
Learn from every failure. If something doesn't sell, ask why. Improve and try again.
Tip 3.
Network with others doing similar things. Online communities share valuable insights.
Tip 4.
Track everything in a spreadsheet. Know your numbers. What's your conversion rate? What's your profit margin? What's your best-selling product?
And remember, you're learning English through all of this.
All right, everyone. If you have $100 to invest in building income, which method are you trying?
Comment below and tell us your goal. Turn $100 into what amount in how many weeks?
We'll check back and celebrate your wins.
Start today.